Want an easy way to store, sync, and share your files online? In this Dropbox guide, I'll show you the essentials, from uploading files and organizing folders to syncing your computer and sharing links. So let's get started. First, open Dropbox in your browser and sign in, or create an account if you're new. You can also use Dropbox through its desktop or mobile apps, so your files are available across your devices. Once you're inside, uploading a file is simple. Click Upload, choose File or Folder, and select what you want to store. You can also drag files directly into the Dropbox folder on your computer if you use the desktop app. To keep everything organized, create folders for projects, documents, photos, or anything else you need. Click New Folder, give it a name, and then move related files inside. You can also create subfolders for a cleaner structure. One of Dropbox's most useful features is syncing. When you add or change a file inside your Dropbox folder, those changes can sync across your connected devices. This means you can start working on one computer and continue from another. To share something, hover over a file or folder and click Share. You can invite specific people and choose whether they can edit or only view. Or copy a share link and send it through email or messaging apps. If you can't find a file, use the search bar at the top. Type a file name or keyword, and Dropbox will show matching results. This is especially useful once your account starts filling up with lots of files. For extra protection, Dropbox Backup can back up selected files and folders from your computer to the cloud. You can then access those backed up files through Dropbox. It's a useful extra layer when you don't want important files stored in only one place, and that's the basic Dropbox workflow. Upload your files, organize them into folders, keep them synced, and share them whenever you need to. If this guide helped, check out the next tutorial for more useful Dropbox tips.